Hi, I'm Sandra with Urban Manta and Scuba Certifications Raleigh. So if you have a problem with your mask fogging, then it might need to be burnt a little bit more coming from the factory, up to 7 times for certain brands. So I'm going to show you how to burn it without hurting the silicone skirt here, and how to put some toothpaste on the lens after. And then you shouldn't have this problem and you'll be doing less mask clearing underwater. Brand new mask. So we want to burn the chemicals from the factory off, and we're going to burn the glass, but we're going to make sure we don't get the sides and the silicone. So you can see it's melting away when the flame is eating those chemicals off. You might have to do this process up to 8 times. Once might not be enough. If the mask fogs when you're diving, then you do your mask clearing skill, clear the fog away, do the best you can for that dive, or switch to your backup mask. And then when you get out, keep burning it. You can also put some toothpaste on the underside of this lens. We're going to put some toothpaste on both lenses here. I'm just going to let this sit overnight. That should help to take care of any fogging that we get on these masks.